Sharonda.
Okay, so hello and welcome everyone. We are here once again to another interaction of ISHRE Days. And today we have with us Mr. Harsh Shah, who is presently has joined Johnson Controls Hitachi Air Conditioning India as an engineer in the year of 2020, if I'm right?
Yeah.
So, like he will take us through his journey and will tell us how he's connected to ISHRE and also his journey from being a student to being someone very newly acquainted with the industry. Right. So without further ado, before going into the ISHRE talk, let me just ask you something like since you have joined in December 2020 and it's been
Yes.
what 2 months maximum and
Yeah, 9 months. Yeah.
9 months and inside that as well you had the COVID second wave and everything. So I think these 9 months have given you 9 years worth of experience, if I'm not wrong. So walk us through the first phases, like has it been the transition from campus to corporate? How's it been so far?
Okay. As far as I am concerned, my view of student life as such was quite, you do not have much of a responsibility as students during the student life. But whenever you transition to the, as a professional in the, when you are working in a company, yeah, you have to take up some responsibility as such, and all the decisions that you make in everyday life will have some or other consequences that will fall on. So in that way, student life and life as a professional has been kind of a jump to say, but I have transitioned quite well due to maybe getting involved with ISHRE is one of the things, and other societies as well. Is during our college days, we involved in many societies and worked as a volunteer as such. So in that way you get to inculcate some of the responsible stuff, and you develop leadership qualities which are very much required when you are talking about a job scenario. So in that way, this ISHRE and all other things helped me transition into it very, swiftly, not much of a jump start, so as to say. So it helps, if you have leadership qualities and management that you have cultivated in your college days, it helps you not ending up being behind the eighth ball when you join the job market.
Okay. So since you talked about a lot of the experiences that were helpful in your when you transitioned into the corporate life, so I
Yeah.
think believe that ISHRE was also a part of that. The experiences you gained from ISHRE.
Definitely, yeah.
So let me ask you this: that how did you get introduced to ISHRE, and like the roles and responsibilities that you had in ISHRE? How has it helped you?
Okay, so it was around the end of my first year's journey at Institute of Engineering and Management, where I did my BTech. So around the end of the first year, we had a competition organized by one of the societies. Its name was AptiQuest. So in that we had participated, and somehow I emerged as a winner in that. So at that time, we didn't knew much of many of the professors at that time in the mechanical department, since we were in the first year. So at that time, I got introduced to Gunjan sir, who then transitioned me into ISHRE Society. So he introduced me to ISHRE Society, and then also gave me the chance to volunteer in it as a spokesperson initially in the first year. So in that way, I got introduced to ISHRE and its activities. And then speaking about my involvement with ISHRE in the next later years, in the second year, I served as a spokesperson, and then the later 2 years, I served as a treasurer. But being in ISHRE, I have felt one thing that the entire team has some kind of a responsibility as such, which it is not demarcated by the posts that you hold. It's in the spirit of being the part of the ISHRE IEM team. So it has helped me grow in my personal and professional life, and as well as in the technical life, skills. It helped me develop technical skills. Um, you know, the journey has been one of a kind. Uh, During the second year itself, we had somewhat like upwards of 10 to 20 technical series which we got to attend, and then we had around 2 to 3 months we had site visits to various projects under development, such as where did I go, like I went to hospital building under construction, so we had a broad view of the MEP that goes inside a hospital building, so as to say. And we also went on other technical site visits, so it helps you develop a broad view about the things that are getting installed in the real life, apart from the bookish knowledge we generally gain through our curriculum. So in that way, it helps in technical and professional development of a person that participates in the activities of ISHRE, that the learning opportunities that ISHRE offers every now and then.
Okay. So, like, your answer is comprehensive to anyone listening in for the first time about ISHRE. I think he or she will get a very good idea. Like, you started from volunteering, then spokesperson at that time, and then you went up to being the treasurer. And with that, you learned not only work or man management, I guess, like the roles and responsibilities is one side, but as you pointed out, the technical aspect, all the knowledge you gained, I think it's a wholesome thing a student can ask.
Wholesome experience. Yeah, totally.
So, the roles and responsibilities and knowledge you gain, I guess you were able to, project that knowledge that you gained in a lot of competitions through ISHRE. So, take us through the journey where you might have participated or won different competitions that ISHRE hosts for students.
So, like if I tell my journey, so as to say, in the second year was mostly about learning new things, learning about HVAC, learning about MEP. I got exposed to many technical talks and site visits in that period. So that way I got involved with the segment of HVAC, since I had joined mechanical engineering myself due to my interest in automobile. But then during the second year, I got so much exposure to HVAC that I got aligned with the HVAC and MEP segment. Also, I went for an internship that helped me get interested in this field much more. So in that way, I got to learn a lot during my second year. So coming to the third year, I got to apply all these learnings in real life. So there were events like RefCode, Recon, NSDC, which were more or less real life based, extremely real life. So in that way, we worked on real life projects on teams of around 4 to 5 people, and everyone would brainstorm ideas to involve in that project. So in that way, it was a great experience, so as to say, during the third and the fourth year, applying all those skills that we had gained through our journey in ISHRE. And we used to work like late nights during the submission of projects. And we also used to ISHRE is not just about projects, and we also had fun along with the projects. We had team discussions. We had after every victory that we have achieved, we had team parties, so as to say, after the event successfully wound up. So it's not about just learning and stuff. It's more of like having fun-based activity throughout life and throughout your entire college curriculum as such.
So that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, yeah. And my favorite part, of course, which I missed for the past 1 year, is the food at ISHRE events.
Definitely, definitely.
So yeah, having said that, do you think students rather, should join ISHRE? And yes or no, whatever it is, why do you think so?
Joining ISHRE is a personal decision. Like everyone has their own, inclination towards work. I had my own inclination towards automobile, but then, you should not stick to just one thing in life. You should have a exposure to multiple things. You gain a lot in that process. You get a bunch of life skills you can learn. You can have a, like ISHRE provides a worldview to, so as to say, through its activities as such, and learning activities. You get to communicate with various peoples through the industry. You learn how to communicate with them. You know how to present in yourself in front of them. Like, I'll share my experience in Recon. We had our final presentation in Novotel, and during that time we had around 100 to 200 people, all industry leaders in their own roles and responsibilities, sitting in front of us, and we, four of us in a team, were presenting our project in front of them. Like, it's a one of a kind experience that one would get during your college days, so as to say. Uh, you can't expect 100 to 200 people to listen to all your stuff, like all the work that you have put into your project for around 30 to 35 minutes in a long stretch. So all these things can be achieved just by participating wholeheartedly, enjoying what you are doing, and participating all the activities that ISHRE offers, all the learning activities that ISHRE offers
So,
to its members.
if I'm not wrong, like the present company you are in,
Yeah,
like it was like the opportunity you had was through one of ISHRE's events.
yeah. It even yeah, I forgot to mention the job that I am doing currently, the at Johnson Controls Hitachi Air Conditioning Limited. I got this opportunity through ACREX, which is an flagship event of ISHRE. There's a quiz competition that ISHRE conducts every year, and the name is AQuest. So at the AQuest, all the finalists that pass through the finals, they all get to work Hitachi directly. They get direct offers from Hitachi, just out of BTech of your BTech. So in that way, it's a very great opportunity, so as to say, to involve yourself in this chapter that also offers you such kind of opportunities where you can make your career itself just out of your college. Not many societies do such kind of things, do offer such kind of things. So ISRE also offers job opportunities as well as learning experiences, and definitely fun, and definitely food, so as to say.
So, since you mentioned like the ACREX and AQuest and how it has benefited you, uh,
Hmm.
for the national events for this year, the notifications are out. Students are
Yeah.
preparing with all guns blazing. So, what
Yeah.
would be your advice as someone senior who has had good experiences, not just experiences, good experiences from these events? So, what would be your advice to your juniors now?
My advice to my juniors would be, just go out, forget everything, and enjoy the process. Enjoying the process will lead to results, definitely. Just you do not have to go on and compete with other teams. That should not be your mindset. You are just going to enjoy and have food, of course, at all the ISRE events. So in that way, just go out, enjoy these moments won't be coming every now and then after you proceed to your further career. So just don't miss this kind of opportunities. Go out, enjoy, and express yourself. Even if you land up losing on the losing side, it doesn't matter at all in the long run. it will just be an just be a
Learning.
it will just be a fond memory in your a list of bucket list that you had during your college days. So just go out, enjoy, and express yourself. Just that's what I would like to say.
Right, right. So you have put that so beautifully. Like I had asked you regarding the national events, and you told about that and the other things as well. Like uh, I do not have a scope to ask you like what would be your general advice to the students, because you have put it so beautifully over here and you have told everything. And I'm sure that your juniors who are listening to you at this moment would be, you know, would be very reared up to and inspired by you and your works, and would like to follow your footsteps. And I like the conversation may continue for an hour long. This is such a topic, and
Yeah,
catching up with my junior
definitely.
is very are very fond memories. So, but today we have limited time, and I'm afraid like I've come to the end of the questions for today's evening. Um, so to say, but the students, Harsh and everybody of your seniors in ISHRE are always available for interaction in any kind of
Definitely.
advice.
Yeah.
You can obviously catch him up on Facebook, I guess, and have any kind of take any kind of advices from him. So that's it for today from ISHRE Day's interaction, and we hope to be back with someone else the next. Thank you, Harsh.
Thank you, Sharonda, for this nice session. I got to relive all my memories of ISHRE and college days through this 15 minutes of session. It really brought out all the good stuff out of my college days. So thanks for this session.
Thank you.